Hello children, welcome to your YouTube channel Kids is Chuck. Today I am going to teach you children about terrestrial animals name. आइए बच्चों कुछ स्थलीय जीवों के बारे में जानें. Let's begin children. First I have written children cat, C-A-T, cat. Cat means बच्चों बिल्ली. Second I have written children ant, A-N-T, ant. Ant means बच्चों चींटी. Third I have written children dog, D-O-G, dog. Dog means बच्चों कुत्ता. Fourth I have written children tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tiger means बच्चों बाघ. Fifth I have written children elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephant means बच्चों हाथी. Let's revise children. Terrestrial animal means बच्चों स्थलीय जीव. First I have written children cat. Cat means बच्चों बिल्ली. Second I have written children ant. Ant means बच्चों चींटी. Third I have written children dog. Dog means बच्चों कुत्ता. Fourth I have written children tiger. Tiger means बच्चों बाघ. Fifth I have written children elephant. Elephant means बच्चों हाथी. That's all for today children. Thank you.